In this video, I'm going to show you how to transform an image in Photoshop. So you have your image, you might be slightly too close. You might find you want to zoom out. So click on the magnifying glass tool and click on the minus magnifying glass tool and you can come out a bit. Make sure auto select and show transform controls are selected when you press the move tool. Go down to edit, transform, and you have all of these options. So you have scale, where you can resize your image. Go to edit, transform. You also have rotate. This allows you to rotate any image that you have in your document. If you go to edit again, you can transform, skew, and you can start to skew the image if required. You've also got some other options that I want you to play with, such as distort, perspective, and warp. Now, warp's quite a fun one because you can really pinch and adjust coordinates there, and make your image quite, well, as the word says, quite warped. Now, it takes a lot of memory to do this, so when you hit apply, it might take a while for it to save. Okay, so have a go at that.